Welcome back to Daily Drives, the place where futuristic machines, insane custom builds, and next-generation rides come together. If you love luxury motorcycles, extreme touring vehicles, and jaw-dropping trike conversions, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into something truly shocking and unforgettable. The Honda Goldwing GCT Camper Trike 2026, a machine that completely redefines long-distance touring and turns a legendary motorcycle into a rolling luxury camper. The Honda Goldwing has always been known as the king of touring bikes, but the GCT Camper Trike version takes that reputation to another level. Instead of two wheels, this beast rolls on a stable three-wheel setup, giving riders maximum confidence, balance, and comfort on long journeys. The GCT conversion transforms the Goldwing into a full touring trike that feels more like a luxury road machine than a motorcycle. And for 2026, the camper setup pushes the boundaries even further. At the heart of this machine is the iconic Goldwing power plant, expected to be a refined version of Honda's smooth and powerful 1,833cc flat-six engine. This engine is famous for its quiet operation, massive torque, and silky acceleration, making it perfect for hauling extra weight without feeling strained. Whether cruising on highways or climbing mountain roads, the Goldwing GCT Camper Trike delivers effortless performance with unmatched smoothness. What truly makes the 2026 GCT Camper Trike shocking is the integrated camper system. This isn't just a bike with luggage, it's a compact mobile living space. The rear camper unit is seamlessly designed to match the Goldwing's premium styling, featuring aerodynamic lines and a solid, balanced structure. Inside, the camper offers a sleeping area, smart storage compartments, and space designed for real touring comfort. It allows riders to stop anywhere, park, and rest without needing hotels or tents. Comfort is where this trike absolutely dominates. The wide rear axle provides incredible stability, especially during long rides or while carrying gear. The suspension system is upgraded to handle extra weight smoothly, absorbing bumps and road imperfections with ease. Long hours on the road feel less tiring, making cross-country journeys more enjoyable than ever before. Technology plays a huge role in the 2026 model. The Goldwing GCT Camper Trike is expected to feature a large digital display with navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced ride information. Electronic riding modes adjust throttle response and traction control depending on road conditions. Heated seats, heated grips, premium sound systems, and smart cruise control turn every ride into a first-class experience. Safety is another area where this trike stands out. With three wheels firmly planted on the road, riders enjoy increased confidence, especially at low speeds and during stops. Advanced braking systems with ABS ensure powerful and controlled stopping, even with the camper attached. Stability control, traction management, and enhanced lighting systems make night riding and long trips safer than ever. The design of the Honda Goldwing GCT Camper Trike 2026 is both aggressive and elegant. It keeps the iconic Goldwing front end while adding muscular rear styling that highlights its trike conversion. Chrome accents, premium paint finishes, and modern LED lighting give it a futuristic yet luxurious presence on the road. Wherever it goes, this machine demands attention. This trike isn't built for speed racing, it's built for freedom. It's for riders who dream of endless highways, scenic routes, and traveling without limits. The camper trike lifestyle means waking up to new views every day, carrying everything you need, and enjoying the journey as much as the destination. The Honda Goldwing GCT Camper Trike 2026 represents a bold future for motorcycle touring. It blends motorcycle soul, car-like comfort, and camper convenience into one incredible machine. For touring enthusiasts, adventure lovers, and those who want luxury without compromise, this trike is nothing short of revolutionary. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most insane touring machines of the future, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Daily Drives, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest futuristic rides, custom builds, and mind-blowing vehicles. Drop a comment below and tell us, would you take this Goldwing GCT Camper Trike on a cross-country adventure? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.